Hello everyone, welcome to Work Perfect classes. My name is Rachna Rana. I have 20 years teaching experience. Today I am going to discuss about C language lesson number 2. But before discussing about lesson number 2, I am going to discuss about previous chapter, just repetition. In this lesson I taught you what is a C. Basically, C language is developed for creating system applications that directly interact with hardware devices such as drivers, kernels, etc. It's the mother of language. It is system programming language, procedure oriented programming language, structured programming language, mid-level programming language, and designed and developed by Danish Ritchie at Bell Labs of AT&T, that means American Telephone and Telegraph, located in USA. It's developed to overcome the problems of previous languages such as B language and BCPL, etc. It was developed to be used in Unix operating system. Now, today we are discuss about basic terms which are most important for C language, and this is the lesson number 2, keywords. These are predefined reserved words which are used in programming that have special meanings to compiler, special meaning to compiler, and these are the part of syntax, and they cannot be used as an identifier or variables or variables. Keywords are divided into two parts: 32 keywords which are used in C language and 8 keywords which are reserved for low level languages. Low level languages. Now I am going to discuss about 32 keywords in C language. First is auto. Second, const. Third, double. Then float. Then int. Short. Struct. Unsigned. And next is break, continue, else, for, long, signed, switch, void, case, default, enum, go to, register, size of, type def, volatile, char, do, extern, if, return, static, union, while. These are the 32 keywords which are used in C language. And at the end of this video, I want to say that keywords cannot use it as a variable name, constant name, etc. But these are used as a data type, which will I discuss in coming lessons about what is a data type. If you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.